Okay, sorry about that, but I'm recording the lesson of science. Okay, class, I wait about 1 more minute. I have like 2 answers already, and they're correct. Remember, say the answer out loud or text it to me. What is the sign of angle C? What is the sign of angle C? Okay, remember the sign of angle C is the opposite over the hypotenuse. So the opposite will be 4 and the hypotenuse will be 5. So the hypotenuse will be 4/5. So as you can see, SOHCAHTOA is the key to these problems. If you know what SOHCAHTOA means, then you can answer this question. Okay? Now, another type of question they're going to ask you, and this is a calculator problem, okay? Let's say they ask you to find the sine of 60 degrees. And this, all it is a calculator problem, okay? Give me a minute, let me get my calculator. Okay, now, the key about, we tend to think that calculators are the same for everybody. Every calculator is different, and even your cell phone, it has a calculator, okay? But if you have an Android, your calculator behaves one way. If you have an iPhone, the calculator is slightly different. So the only way I can say, I can show you how to do something is if we make the calculator the same for all of us, okay? So the way you do it is, if right here on the address you type in calculator and hit enter, you're gonna get something similar to what I have, okay? So in here, type in calculator, hit enter, and you should get what I have right here.
I don't think they can see what you're seeing. Let me see.
I didn't share mine.
You're sharing it, but it doesn't show, it just shows the whiteboard. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you guys can see it, then I'm just missing it.
But let me double check, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Okay, sorry about that. Can you see calculator now?
Yeah.
Okay, so open a new browser and in here type in the word calculator. And hit enter. When you do that, you're gonna get something very similar to what I have right here. Okay, and remember, you can use your phone if you want to, but your phone will be different from the way I do it over here. So the only way that we can all get the same answer, similar answer, is if we use the Google Calculator. Okay, now, for example, if right here in America we talk about miles, but if you go to Mexicali, they don't talk about miles, they talk about kilometers. Okay, they have different units. They measure the same, they measure distance, but they measure it differently. Now, when you talk about an angle, there's something called radians, rad, or degrees, DEG. Okay, in this class, everything we do has to be in degrees. It has to be in degrees. Okay, it's very hard to see, but if you look closely, radian looks darker, and degree looks like gray, like dark gray, like charcoal. So what this tells me right now, the calculator is looking for radians. So what you have to do is tell a calculator, okay, I'm gonna give you degrees. Click on degrees and notice how degrees get darker and radians get dark gray. Okay, make sure you're in degrees or else your answer will be wrong. Okay, make sure that you're in degrees. Now we have sine of 60, right? There's sine, cosine, tangent. Click sine. Now what is waiting is for me to tell it what degrees. So you type in 60. So what I'm saying is, what is the sine of 60 degrees? Okay. Now hit enter, and that'll be your answer. So the answer is 0.8. Now, don't use all the numbers. The problem will tell you round to the nearest 10, round to the nearest 100 degrees. So what they're saying is, don't give me all the numbers. Yes, give me the 10th degrees or the 100th degrees. Okay. So remember, this is the 10th and this is the 100th. So if they add it to round to the nearest 100, it will be 0.86 or 0.87. Depends on the number next to it. If it's 5 or larger, you add 1 to it. If it's smaller than 5, it stays the same. So in this case, the answer will be 0.87. And that's the answer, okay? So the only thing you have to be careful, that you're in degree, okay? Because if you're doing it in radians, it will be, it give you the wrong answer, okay? So let's do another one, okay? Let us do the tangent. Let's say 25 degrees. So go ahead, put that in your calculator, please. Tangent of 25. Let's say round to is 100. Say the answer or text it to me, please. Okay, tangent of 25. I'm asking you to calculate the tangent of 45 degrees. I'm sorry, tangent of 25. So calculate the tangent of 45. Here, let me share. Okay. So I'm asking you to find the tangent of 25 degrees. I'm sorry, after you just see this. So tangent of 25. So put that in the calculator and tell me what answer you got, okay? Text it or say it out loud. Okay, so remember, the answer should be 0.47 because you're supposed to round the answer. Okay, the calculator gave you the answer is 0.4663076. More numbers, okay? But they asked to round to the nearest 100. This is 10, this is 100. So the answer we have is 0.46 or 0.47. It depends on that number. If that number is 5 or larger, you add 1 to it. If it's 5, if it's smaller than 5, it stays the same. So the answer should be 0.47, not 0.46. Remember, when you round, the number could go up by 1 or stay the same. Okay, lesson 1. Let me do. Let's do cosine. What is the cosine of, let's say, 72 degrees? Go ahead, cosine of 72. Once you have the answer, say it out loud or text it to me, okay? Do it how you prefer to do it. Remember, once you get the answer, text it to me or say it out loud. The cosine of 72 degrees. Class, it's very important you try it, because you know the mistake many of you are gonna make when I give you an assignment or the test is you're gonna be doing the calculation in radians. It has to be in degrees. Okay, so you don't see the mistake you're making till you try it. Okay, you're saying, well, how come they get 0.31 and I'm getting a way different answer? Okay, if you get a totally different answer, not close to what we're getting, is because you're doing it in radians, not in degrees. Okay, now you're ready for the assignment. The assignment that I give you, that I'm going to give you today, is in ALEKS. Okay, so log into ALEKS. I want to post the assignment right now. Just give me a minute. Very important. Yesterday, you should have created a new account in ALEKS. Okay, if you're using a new an old account, you know, you probably, for many of you, you're using Math 1 with your last year teacher. Okay, you must create a new account. Okay, now you should done the knowledge check. If you didn't do the knowledge check, you cannot see the assignment that I'm giving you right now. Okay, remember the knowledge check, if you actually do it, it's gonna take you like about 2 hours to do it. But when you do not, when it's doing the knowledge check, you say, I don't know, and then you'll be finished in about 5 minutes. Okay, so go to ALEKS and log in using the new information. Do not use your old ALEKS account. And there should be an assignment called trade. Okay, if it's not in there, it's because you never made a new ALEKS account. Okay, if that's the case, then let me know so I can help you. Okay, so in Google Classroom, I put the link to ALEKS. Click on the link, go to ALEKS, and try the assignment called trade. Okay, have any issues or problems, call me, text me, or talk to me. Okay.